In this video, we're going to look at how to find the smallest number from a range using an Excel formula. In this example, we have a range of numbers from cell B3 through to C10, and what we're going to do here is to extract the smallest number from this range. I'll show you two ways that this can be achieved. With the first method, we'll simply use the min function, which returns the smallest number from the selected range. So let's enter this formula into cell E3. So that's equals min, open parentheses. And all we'll need to do here is to select the range of cells from which we want to return the smallest number. So let's go ahead and select range B3 through to C10. And then complete the formula with the closing parentheses and press the enter key. And that's it. The formula is now returning the smallest number from the range. With the second method, we'll use the small function. The small function returns a number from a selected range based on the nth smallest position. So let's go ahead and enter the formula into cell F3. That's equals small open parentheses. The first argument of the small function is the range from which we want to return the smallest number. So we'll select range B3 to C10 followed by a comma. The second argument of the small function is a number value that specifies the smallest number to return from the selected range. In this example, given that we want to return the smallest number, we'll insert a value of 1. And we'll complete the formula with a closing parentheses and press the enter key. And that's it. The formula is now returning the smallest number from the range. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.